Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can scroll to the bottom of a Notion page. So if you have a Notion page that is very long like this one, as you can see this is a very long page, and if yours is even longer and takes a lot of while to go back to the bottom, there's a very simple way, a very quick way to go to the bottom of your Notion page. Simply press Ctrl plus A keys onto your keyboard. This will select everything onto your computer. While pressing Ctrl plus A keys, simply press the down arrow button onto your keyboard and you will automatically be taken to the bottom of your Notion page. And if you want to go back, again press Ctrl plus A keys, and while pressing Ctrl plus A keys, simply press the up arrow key button onto your keyboard and you'll be taken to the top of your Notion page. So this was a very simple tutorial on how you can scroll to the bottom of your Notion page using a set of buttons simultaneously. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.